Hey guys, we hope that you're doing really great. We're gonna show you some of our activities and some cool places. So tag along. Hello.
Hi.
Welcome to Villa La Sueca.
Thank you. It looks great.
How are you guys?
Good.
Good.
Welcome to Villa La Sueca. We have some space here where we have people working with different mosaic stuff and making
Creative things.
And we also sometimes have concerts up here.
That's great.
Swedish artists.
Swedish artists.
Oh yes, a lot of them. Jan Johansson, more ABBA evening and
Beatles evening.
Beatles evening,
David Bowie.
David Bowie.
Yeah.
Evening.
Okay.
Do you want to have a look at the creative side of Villa La
Yes,
Sueca?
please.
Yes.
We love to.
Okay.
Ja, tack för det. Ser du vad det är? Vad ser du?
Oj. Det var kul. Ja, det var att vi exempel här.
Hello. What a beautiful room. What is this?
This is my art room.
Beautiful.
Here I do everything. This is concrete and this is glass and I do jewelry and painting and everything.
Beautiful. Let's look
This is
around.
my favorite room.
I can imagine that. So many beautiful things.
So here you can come and you can create whatever you want, decoupage, silver, yeah, everything.
Do you teach people also how to
Yes, I
do
do.
things?
I have courses,
Great.
workshops.
Wow. Amazing. Well, guys, you should definitely
And
come
I
here.
cut hair also.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
She didn't cut my hair though, but you should definitely come here and check out these things and try to be creative.
Welcome.
So there's something special with the rooms. Tell me about that, please.
Yeah, we put names of every room to know where we are, to find the rooms, and we used our favorite bands from when we grow up.
So are the band staying there now, or?
Well, hopefully they will come here. We have a little small things in the room, like the Beatles room. We have a case with small socks and stuff, and a cup, and a little double-decker You call
Yeah,
it? From
bus.
London.
Yeah.
Bus.
So basically all the rooms are named after your favorite bands, right?
Exactly.
And we saw also that these rooms have very nice logotypes. How did that come about?
Yeah, we wanted to give the rooms something. All the rooms has to have something special. So, like Rolling Stones has a little label outside, vinyl single
Yeah.
with
Logotype.
logotype on, and also when you come into the room,
It's on the wall.
the big logo is on the wall, and Annette has painted it.
Great. Let's look at that. So where are we going, Bella?
Now we're going down to the apartment.
Okay. So is this what you call a queen-sized bed?
Exactly.
And this is the Genesis room. Very nice.
This is a fantastic ship. It's a yawl, and the skipper is in the yellow in the middle. You see? He's waving all the time.
Beautiful.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Thank you. Fantastiska eftermiddag som har givit fantastiska konstverk.
Thanks for visiting Villa La Sueca today, Werner and Rita. Lovely to have you here.
Thank you. We had an amazing time. We can strongly recommend you and your friends to come here. It's a great place, fantastic atmosphere, and the view is amazing.
And you find the link in the description.
Down here somewhere.
Welcome.
See you. Bye.
Bye.
Well, guys, that's it for now. Thanks for watching.
If you like this video, press thumbs up.
And if you don't like this video, press thumbs down twice.
Make sure to subscribe.
And hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on our upcoming videos. We'll see you soon again. Stay great and stay safe.
Bye bye for now.